here with Boatshed Riviera today. You have a nice little saloon with new upholstery. You have the galley and the helm. And going down here, you have the heads with a very convenient shower that is actually hidden behind the door. It's used as storage right now, but it's a totally independent space. And then you have the master cabin right here. It's very, very spacious in terms of headroom as well. You probably can't really see it from the video or from the photo, but you get a very nice sense of space. And then here you have another independent double. There we go. And back up into the saloon.